Welcome to our post-game press conference. Kasama natin ang ating player of the game, CJ Perez, and Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Leo, nahirapan kayo sa execution down the stretch dahil niya sa pressure defense ng Magnolia. But when it counted the most, your players had significant plays, yung steal ni Jericho, 3 points ni Marcio, and that 3 points of CJ as well. If you could talk us through the things you told them just to make sure fight through yung depensa na nga pinapakita ng Hotshots.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Lord, for this win. We're able to arrest our slide because in the last 3 or 4 games, we never beat our opponent in ESL at sa PBA. And this is a good thing for us to win against Magnolia because they are our contender to get into the top 8. And this is a big big event for us, or else we will slide down to the bottom 4. So, and that's what we don't want to happen. But regarding the execution, I think, especially in the defense, we're able to adjust because they keep on attacking us, Junmar and man on ball on the pick and roll. And luckily, we're able to stop them, I think, 3 or 4 attempts on the stretch. But I have to thank this player because of their talent on a broken play, and that's what I'm expecting from them. But at the start, we have a good game at running our plays, but it was disrupted. But of course, the talent was there and appreciated, especially CJ. And I know na CJ he will not afraid to take those important shots, crucial shots. And that's what I like those players.
Thank you, Coach. Now, CJ, nabanggit mo how you're struggling this conference to get a consistency sa laro mo, lalo na offensively. Pero tulad ng sabi ni Coach, you're never shy or afraid to take those big shots. How do you keep yourself ready, confident, and that effort to be present dun sa mga big moments ng laro?
Yun nga, nag-struggle nga ako this conference pero nakikita ko naman hindi naman nawawala yung trust nila coach sa akin. So it's just me na kung paano ko mag-respond dun sa trust na binibigay nila coach. And yun, I'm just happy today na we got the win. And yung effort namin nandun, hindi kami nakapag-execute pero yan, nag-compose lang kami sa offense namin and nag-trust lang kami sa isa't isa. So, yan.